Huh. You won't get hooked.
What? What was that, man? What the hell was that, man?
Huh?
No, man, like, hey, man, wow, I was watching this object, man, like the satellite that we saw the other night, right? And like it was just going right across the sky, man, and then, I mean, it just suddenly, it just changed direction and went, whizzing right off, man. It flashed.
You're stoned out of your mind, man.
That was a UFO beaming back at you.
Wow.
With no effort.